So hello YouTube, this is Fastto back again with a new video. So as you can see, this is around 6 o'clock in the evening. It has gone pitch dark. So the bike is getting heated up, as you could see. So the flames on point. So we'll get fueled up. We have to get the pollution done. And the air pressure. Maybe Abdul is gonna join us. So we'll just hop on the bike and we'll start to ride. Until then, watch out for the intro.
We make the strings
louder.
So guys, I hope the camera angle and all is fine. The audio is fine, as I didn't check today. So we are headed out, guys. I know the XBHP meetups algorithm ఏదో తేడా కొట్టింది. అప్లోడ్ కంటెంట్ ఉంది, లైక్ లాస్ట్ టైం లాగా లేదు, కాకపోతే కంటెంట్ ఉండి కాకపోతే తెలియదు ఏమైందో, ఆల్గోరిథం ఏదో తేడా కొట్టింది ఎక్కడో. సో అయితే అది వదిలేసా, నేను తీయట్లేదు వీడియో, దాన్ని ఏం చేయట్లేదు. అవుతే ఏంది, లేకపోతే లేదు. బికాజ్ మేము చేసింది మెమరీస్ కోసం, వ్యూస్ కోసం చేయట్లేదు వీడియోస్. సో వీఆర్ బ్యాక్ అట్ ఇట్. అబ్దుల్, ఐ డిడ్ ట్రై టు కాల్ అప్ అబ్దుల్, కాకపోతే ఫోన్ ఎత్తలేదు. సో చూద్దాం ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుందో ఏంటో. కాకపోతే ఇవాళ పొల్యూషన్ పక్కా చేయించాలి. ఇంకోటి ఫన్ ఫ్యాక్ట్ ఏంటంటే, నాకు టూ అండ్ హాఫ్ ఇయర్స్ అయిపోయింది బైక్ కొని, అండ్ I don't have a pollution in it. So that's the fun fact. Guys, the winter has started. It's a pretty good weather to drive in the evenings and the nights. We'll try doing many night rides if someone accompanies me, because alone night rides are not so good enough. So let's see. We'll put in the text, drop a few texts in few groups, and let's see how does it goes. So the offer still stands, guys. As I told you before, the DM, you can just DM me on Instagram saying that you wanna ride. So guys, here's Abdul, our boy is back. ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ గాలి పెట్టించుకొని we have to find for a pollution test vehicle. We have to get the pollution done. And the air, we didn't fuel up, we were just for the air. So now let's find the pollution. कहाँ मिलता? इधर मिलता? चलो. So we are just looking for the pollution. Let's see where we can find the pollution. Abdul leading the pack. Abdul Miya chalo Miya ji. Okay, this is a lovely evening. It is शनिवार आदि हमें नींद नहीं आती. Yesterday Saturday. Wow.
Control.
So guys, Interceptor GT లో ఒకటే లైక్ ఫ్యూ డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఉన్నాయి. లైక్ ఏంటంటే దీని వెయిట్ కొంచెం హెవీ, లైక్ నార్మల్ బైక్స్ కన్నా ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 20-30 kilos. I feel it's lighter than Hayabusa కన్నా 20-30 kilos తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. నాకు సరిగ్గా ఐడియా లేదు, బట్ ఐ ఫీల్ అంతే ఉంటుంది బికాజ్ నేను Hayabusa కూడా తోలా. అండ్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే దీని రేర్ సెక్షన్ టైర్ కొంచెం 150 సెక్షన్ ఉంటే, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ వాజ్ 150 సెక్షన్ ఇట్ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ బెటర్ ఫర్ బెటర్ గ్రిప్ అండ్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్. And the twin cylinder with open fairings is kind of heating issues. It provides heating issues. So that's it for now, but then I'll do a total long-term review of the bike because I bought it in 2020. It's almost gonna be 3 years. 2 years is done. It's gonna be 3 years very soon. So before that I'll do a long-term review and let's see how it goes, what all. And that will be kind of a scripted, not this is not scripted, but that will be kind of a scripted thing. So let's see guys, if you are still watching the video, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed, please do comment down below how was the video, how do you like it, and please do give a like also, so that we get motivated and make videos for you to entertain you guys. Pollution. मामा पोल्यूशन मामा, वहाँ वोल्टे क्लब के पास रहता ना, वोल्टे क्लब के पास चलते, यू घुमाओ, टर्न कर लो. Maybe I didn't record it guys. It was a crazy pops and bangs continuous for around 30 seconds. I hope Abdul recorded it. Abdul record किया तुम वो? किए? भेजो मुझे. I'll just try to put it on my video. I'll just try to take it from him and just put it on the video and let's see how it comes. I don't know how is it. If it's good, I'll surely put it on the video. Lean Master. Public reaction. Chapri boys. वाह, सिंगल सीट पे 2 लोग. Content. That is the search for content. Wow. Where's Abdul? Abdul आके जल्दी देख ले. Abdul. Abdul provoking them. कच्चा बादाम देखो, कच्चा बादाम. 2 million. अब्दुल, जगह है तो तुम भी बैठ जाओ. जगह है तो तुम भी बैठ जाओ. अब्दुल, जगह है तो तुम भी बैठ जाओ. पूछो.
मैं नहीं लोग चला ब्रो नहीं लोग चला నేను వచ్చేస్తాను మీతో.
Thank you. Lols. The hunt for the pollution is still going on. Maybe ఒకడు ఇక్కడ ఉంటాడు పొల్యూషన్ వాడు. చూద్దాం, దొరికితే మంచిది, లేకపోతే ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి మూసుకొని. ఇంకేం చేయలేం. ఇంకా పొల్యూషన్ ఉన్నాడా? లేడు గురు. పొల్యూషన్ వాడు ఇక్కడే ఉండేవాడు. So guys, now I won't be doing performance mods anymore. So I have just decided that I'll change the paying job. So please do comment down below, or you can text me on my Insta, telling me or suggesting maybe which kind of paint or wrap should be done. I have few things in my mind, so let's see. I'll just take up the reviews of you guys also, and let's see how it goes. So let's go into the YMCA and get a few reaction of the niggas. Parking. Where is the parking?
बहन डर गई.
So guys, we have started back home. We did chill for some time near the YMCA. A few friends of Abdul joined us. We are just going back home. It was a good cozy evening. బట్ దేనికోసం వచ్చామో అదే అవ్వలేదు. పొల్యూషన్ దొరకలే మనకి. పొల్యూషన్ టెస్ట్ వెహికల్ దొరకలే. So guys, if you're still watching the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. So I end this video here, so stay tuned guys, many vlogs are coming up and I'll try to be as regular as possible, which can never happen. I'll try, but so guys, that's it for today's vlog. This is Fastto signing off. We'll be back with another video. Bye bye.